Welcome to VersaVlogs. In this exciting YouTube video, we dive into the realm of AI-powered video creation. What I'm about to show you here is how to create YouTube shorts using AI. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the full potential of VersaVlogs. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT to name 10 interesting animals. Then choose any animal that you like. After that, ask ChatGPT to write 30 to 50 words with interesting facts about your chosen animal. You can make it longer if you like. Then copy those words on your clipboard. Head to play.hd by clicking the link on my description. This is what you'll see in your screen. Now, if you already have an account, click Login. Or if this is your first time here, click Create Free AI Voiceover, then enter your details. Or in my case, I just sign up with Google. You'll see this after you've signed in. Now, click Create Audio and choose Ultra Realistic Voice. Then paste your script into the text box. Larry is their default A voice, but you can choose another voice by clicking it. Their voices vary from gender, accent, age, style, tempo, and more, which you can see on the header part. Now you can try playing different voice samples until you find one you prefer. I'll use Arthur for mine. To choose it, simply click the name. You can see this button on the side. Click it and choose Apply to all paragraphs. You can change the speed as well. I'll use 0.8 speed. If you're done customizing your voice, click Confirm. On this side, you can see a green button saying Generate Review. Click it and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done generating, click Play button and review the voice. The red panda, native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. If you don't like it, you can do the process with it earlier and make some adjustments. Once you're satisfied with it, click this button to download your file. It will download a WAV file, but don't worry, it's still supported. For our next step, head to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up in Canva search bar, type in YouTube Shorts, click it, then click Create Blank File. On the left sidebar, click Upload. Then upload WAV file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, hold on to it and drag it to your work area. If your audio file is compressed, click on this white blank page and drag it. Then hold and drag your audio to its full length. Now let's look for copyright-free visuals. Here are free websites that offer copyright-free stack footage. I'll use Pixels for mine. If you can find your desired visual there, simply look for it in other websites. Now on Pixel search bar, I'll search for Red Panda. Since we're using these for shorts, click Filter All Orientations, then choose Vertical. In that way, we won't have to spend more time cropping those pictures. Now I can easily find what I'm looking for. Simply select the photos you find relevant. Here's a tip, you don't have to download photos. Simply hold on the photo and drag and drop it to Canvas website. Now let's find video clips as well. For the videos, you have to download and upload it manually. Don't worry, it will only take seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Click Add Page and adjust your clips. Drag and drop your video and rearrange the pages to your liking. If your video has its original sound, click Volume and jug it to 0E. To mute it, head back to Pixels and look for more photos and videos to match your audio's length. After that, click an image. Right-click or press More. Then set image as background. Do the same for everything else. Let's say you're done. It's time to add background music. Let's use Google search for calm music and download what you like. Head back to Canva. Once it's done, then drag and drop it to your project. Adjust the position to match it with the rest. Now, let's take a look at what we created so far. The red panda, native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, is a cap. If you think it's ready, download your file. Great job. But it's still missing something. We need subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to VEO. I include it along with other links I've mentioned. Check it on the description. Since I already have an account, I get directed here. Click New Video, Create Project, then upload your video file. Alright, on the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then Auto Subtitle. There are 100 plus languages supported here, but I'll choose English. Wait for a few seconds to generate your subtitles, then play the video once it's done. The red panda, native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, is a cap. Perfect. If you like to change the style, click Styles. You can change the preset or choose your own font, style and size, colors, animation and more. I'll stick with this. Now play back your video and review it. The red panda, native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, is a captivating mammal. Lastly, upload your video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider sharing it. I'll be posting more videos to help you make money for free, so hit subscribe and all notifications to be the first to know. Remember, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen.